Guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Ryco Air Filter A1976 and see what you expect to get inside the box. Okay, so in here, this is the air filter for it. So you would expect to get this if you purchase it. It is very soft. You can see it's bendable. This is the quality. I'll zoom it right in so you can see the quality of this air filter. So if you decide to purchase it online, then this is what you get. Okay, right there. And this is the back of it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video, guys.